10 gallons of cerebrospinal fluid flow through your brain daily, a staggering amount. This is happening in your body right now, as we speak. You're producing 500 milliliters of it every day, which is roughly the same volume as a large bottle of soda. It's like a river, constantly flowing and flushing out toxins. But what's its purpose? You're about to find out. Meet the glymphatic system, a brain-cleaning mechanism that's essential for removing waste and toxins from your brain. It's crucial for your health, and researchers have made some remarkable discoveries about it. For example, a study on mice found that the glymphatic system can remove up to 65% of beta-amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease, during sleep. Surprisingly, the glymphatic system is also more active during sleep, which is why getting enough rest is so important. Take the case of NFL player, Aaron Hernandez, who suffered from chronic traumatic encephalopathy, a condition that highlights the importance of a functioning glymphatic system. You see, when it's not working properly, toxins can build up and cause serious damage. The glymphatic system is a vital component of our brain's health, and understanding how it works can help us better appreciate the importance of sleep and overall brain health. You're probably unaware that brain cleaning is a crucial process that keeps your mind sharp. It's like a dishwasher, constantly removing waste from your brain. The glymphatic system is the mechanism behind this, and it's a simple concept, but the process is complex. You have billions of brain cells, and they produce waste, just like any other cell in your body. The glymphatic system takes it out, ensuring your brain functions properly. Think about it, your brain is like a city, with the glymphatic system acting as the waste management team, collecting and disposing of waste. For example, research has shown that during sleep, the glymphatic system can remove up to 20% more amyloid beta, a protein associated with Alzheimer's disease, from the brain. Surprisingly, the glymphatic system is also more active when you're sleeping on your side, rather than your back, which is why some scientists recommend sleeping on your side to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. You might be interested to know that the glymphatic system was only discovered in 2012, by a team of scientists led by Maiken Nedergaard, and since then, it has been the subject of extensive research. Most doctors get this wrong, and it's crucial you understand the glymphatic system. It involves specific molecules, like aquaporin-4, a water channel protein that plays a vital role. This protein helps remove waste from your brain, a process that's essential for your health. You have 2.4 million red blood cells per second, but your brain has its own unique cleaning mechanism. It's like a separate system. For instance, research on mice at the University of Rochester showed that the glymphatic system can remove beta-amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease, with a clearance rate of up to 65% during sleep. Interestingly, did you know that your brain even has its own waste removal system that's 10 times more active when you're asleep? It's a surprising fact that highlights the importance of a good night's rest. The glymphatic system is a complex process, and scientists are still uncovering its secrets. You might be surprised to learn that it's also linked to conditions like multiple sclerosis and stroke. As you learn more about this system, you'll realize just how critical it is for maintaining your brain's health and function. In 2013, a study changed everything. Researchers found that the glymphatic system is most active during sleep. You're sleeping right now, or you will be soon, and your brain is cleaning itself. It's like a maintenance process, removing waste that builds up during the day. This process is essential for your health, and it's fascinating to think about. Take the example of Alzheimer's disease, where a buildup of amyloid beta proteins can lead to devastating effects. In fact, a study found that during sleep, the brain can remove up to 60% of these proteins. You won't believe what happens next. The glymphatic system is linked to neurodegenerative diseases, and research has shown that people who get less than 7 hours of sleep per night are more likely to develop these conditions. Surprisingly, the glymphatic system is also linked to the way our brains respond to music. Listening to music can actually increase the flow of cerebrospinal fluid, which helps to clear out waste. As you drift off to sleep tonight, remember that your brain is hard at work, cleaning and maintaining itself, and that's a pretty amazing thing. You're affected by this right now, whether you realize it or not. The glymphatic system is hard at work, impacting your daily life in profound ways. You feel tired, sluggish, or perhaps you feel alert and focused. It's all linked to your brain health. And the glymphatic system plays a crucial role in maintaining that health. You're producing amyloid beta right now, a protein that's linked to Alzheimer's disease. But the glymphatic system helps remove it, acting as a protective mechanism. You're protected, but only if you sleep well. Take the example of a study on sleep-deprived mice, where researchers found that just one night of poor sleep led to a 25% increase in amyloid beta production. Surprisingly, the glymphatic system is also 10 times more active during sleep than when we're awake. For instance, a study on humans found that getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night can clear out amyloid beta more efficiently, reducing the risk of Alzheimer's. You might not even notice it, but your brain is working tirelessly to clear out toxins. And it's not just about Alzheimer's. Poor sleep has been linked to a range of other diseases, from diabetes to cardiovascular disease. So, make sure you prioritize those Z's tonight. You might be surprised to learn that the glymphatic system is a game-changer for your brain's health. It's a brain-specific cleaning mechanism, distinct from the lymphatic system that serves the rest of your body. This unique system is more complex and essential for your well-being. For instance, research has shown that the glymphatic system can remove up to 50% of amyloid beta plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease, during sleep. Take the example of a study on mice, where scientists found that the glymphatic system was most active during deep sleep, removing toxins like beta amyloid. You have a separate system for your brain, and it's fascinating to learn about its functions. The glymphatic system is not just a simple waste removal process, it's a highly regulated mechanism that involves the coordination of multiple cell types, including astrocytes and pericytes. Interestingly, did you know that the glymphatic system is also linked to the circadian rhythm, with some studies suggesting that it's more active at night, which is why getting enough sleep is crucial for brain health. You can think of it like a nighttime cleaning crew, working to keep your brain healthy and functioning properly. In 2019, a study found something unexpected, revealing a crucial connection between the glymphatic system and the meninges, a protective layer around your brain. This layer is vital, and it plays a significant role in brain cleaning. You have 3 layers of protection: the dura mater, arachnoid mater, and pia mater. The glymphatic system is connected to all of them, making it a complex process. But it's essential for your health. For instance, research on mice at the University of Rochester showed that the glymphatic system can remove up to 65% of amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. You won't believe the latest discovery. It turns out that the glymphatic system is most active during sleep, with some studies suggesting it can clear out toxins, including those associated with neurodegenerative diseases, at a rate 10 times faster than during wakefulness. This is surprising, as you might expect your brain to be more active and cleansed during the day. The connection between sleep and brain cleaning is a fascinating area of research, and scientists like Maiken Nedergaard are leading the charge to uncover more about this intricate process. You'll remember this tomorrow. The glymphatic system is your brain's cleaning mechanism, and it's active during sleep. But here's a question: what happens if you don't sleep well? Does your brain still clean itself? The answer will surprise you. Research has shown that during sleep, the glymphatic system can remove up to 20% of the toxins that have built up in your brain, including beta amyloid plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease. For instance, a study on mice found that those who slept well had a 50% reduction in beta amyloid plaques compared to those who were sleep-deprived. You might be shocked to learn that even a single night of poor sleep can impair your brain's cleaning ability. In fact, did you know that the brain of a sleep-deprived person can be compared to that of someone who has been drinking, with similar levels of cognitive impairment? It's a sobering thought. The glymphatic system is a powerful mechanism, but it needs sleep to function properly. So, what happens if you consistently don't get enough sleep? The consequences can be severe, and it's essential to prioritize sleep to keep your brain healthy. Take the example of Randy Gardner, who stayed awake for 264.4 hours in 1964, and experienced severe cognitive impairment.